Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to cover an important topic, that is whenever we take any subscription for maybe WPS app or Canva, Render Forest, LinkedIn or any other app. So sometimes what happen is we used to take the subscription and we normally get 1 month free for many apps, right? So if I talk about WPS also, so if you are getting 1 month free subscription, so and if you forget to maybe unsubscribe it within that 30 days, okay, so what they'll do, they'll just deduct your amount without your permission, because you have already say followed the steps for this auto pay thing. So they won't ask for any OTP, nothing, so they'll just deduct the amount. Okay, so how to resolve this kind of issue? So first thing is, in WPS we don't get any, like if you will visit their website, so you won't get any such kind of policy where you can connect with like you can say you can ask for your refund, or also I just checked yesterday that there is no customer support in the app, so it's too difficult when somebody gets stuck in WPS. So the steps that we are going to follow is going to be the same, and also I try different ways also, but the thing is, like at the end of the day they are going to say we don't have any refund policies. Just that I'm just sharing the steps. Maybe you will get your refund, maybe you will not get your refund. I'm just like sharing whatever best I can do from my end. Okay, just go to search bar, okay, then write WPS. Here you can see this, just click here, then go downside, go to refund, Google Play refund policy. Okay, then just go downside, go to request request a refund, and then follow the steps, whatever mail ID confirmation and all these things are there, just do it all and select the say whatever app you want to uh, get your refund for, and select any reason, then type something here and then request refund. Okay, this is one way to do it. And the thing is, if even if you are going from your Google Help Center, this is going to end you up at the same place. Okay, so it is not going to make any step, but it's like make any difference, but still we are going to like do whatever steps are there, we are going to cover all these steps. So you can see downside, you can close the window or go back to the Google Help Center. So it's like so just let me check it once, refunds and this. It's not there actually. Okay, just go back here, then come back here. Okay, then click on your photo. You can go to your payment and subscriptions. From there you can go to subscriptions, and if you have any active active subscription, just click there. Like all my subscription are inactive at the moment. Okay, just click there, and you can select last option, cancel subscription. Okay, if they have deducted your amount, then make sure to cancel the subscription as soon as possible, or else they'll again deduct your amount in the next billing date. So cost related issues, you can write anything. Okay, just cancel subscription, go for it. Okay, but you can see it right here because I have already used it. You can see this. I don't have any active subscription. Okay, so my subscription got expired on 16th, and another one got expired last month, August month. So I don't have any active subscriptions. If you have any, just go for this process also. Okay, other than this, what best you can do is let me search for something. Just go to Google, write something like Google Help Center mail ID, Google Play Store Help Center mail ID. Okay, here you can see this support-in@google.com. okay, so what you can do is just write a mail to support-in@google.com and share whatever issues you are having, and be something like you need that amount very badly. Write something like, I made that payment x no okay, as they have deducted your amount by themselves and you did not paid it from your end. Okay, it was an auto pay. So what you can do is just write a mail like, say, please, I'm just looking forward to get my money back, and I'm not at all using this app much, and this money is very important for me. I'm just a student, and also you can write this, I just forgot to cancel the subscription and they deducted the amount without my permission, like something like this. Or maybe you can use this 3 to 4 lines, go to maybe any AI, say Gemini AI or maybe WhatsApp AI. Let's not get into all these AI thing. Just write 4 to 5 lines where you are sharing your issues, how badly you need this amount that they have deducted, and as if it is for 1 year, so obviously they'll consider your issue. Okay, just write a good mail and keep on checking with them. If they are not replying, so write a mail again. Okay, I'm waiting for your mail, can you please reply for my previous mail, something like this. Okay, just wait for 3 to 4 days. If they like reply back something like your Google refund has been approved, if they are saying like has been approved, it means you are going to get your money back for sure. And if they are going to share like say something like, sorry, we cannot refund your money, then it's like we can understand that it would be hard for us to get the money. So yeah, just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know, I will be covering that topic too. So yeah, just if you find any issues, just let me know, and I'm here to help you out. So stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.